Hello, my dear students. I am Sajid Singh. I teach in Tezpur Sharini Girls High School. In my earlier videos, I have taught you certain the basics of trigonometry, about the angles and about the complementary angles, all the most of the formulas. This will be required in successive chapters. I have taught certain sums from 8.1. Now I am going to start with 8.2. See, here in the question number, this is ACLC question number. Question number 17 is from 8.1, 18 is from 8.2, 19 is from 8.3, 20 is from 8.4. So I have solved this sum, and many of the sums from 8.1. If you have not seen my channel, you go through it and see the complete video. Watch the complete video. And before going to 8.2, you watch. I suggest you to watch 8.1, part 1, part 2, part 3, so that it will be easier for you to understand. And for further, going to upload my videos on daily basis. So please subscribe, like, and press the bell button and share also. Now you see in 8.2. First question is find the find the values of the following. Find the following 8.2. Find the value of the following. Find the values of the following. Like it is in SLC. Look at this sum. Evaluate or find the value of the following. See, here question number 1 is like this. Find the value of sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. Solution, I am going to show you how to do the sum. Sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. See, sin 30 I have already taught you in my earlier parts. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 means sin 60. This is also root 3 by 2. It is into plus sin 30 half cos 60 half. I have told you how to find the chart, how to find the angles easily. Now you can find yourself. Root 3 to 3, 2 to 4 plus 2 to 4, 1 to 1. See, it is into, therefore either you cancel or multiply the denominator and numerator. Since it is multiplication, you either cancel or it doesn't cancel out, then we have to multiply the denominator and the numerator. Root 3 to 3 square, that is 3. Now since this addition is there, we have to take LCM. 3 plus 1, that is what? 4 by 4. This is the value answer. This is the value. Now you see, in question number, from question 1, remaining sums you can do yourself by putting the values and simplifying the sum. Now in question number 2, there is one question very important. Therefore I have written it to choose the correct answer. The question is like this. You can see from your book also. 1 minus 10 square 45 by 1 plus 10 square equals to 1090, A, B 1, C sin 45, D 0. What will be answer? For that you have to do the solution yourself. 1 minus 10 square 45 by 1 plus 10 square 45. Very, very important. See, 1 minus 10 45 means 1 square. 1 plus 10 square means 10 40 means 1 square. You remember now? 10 45 equal to 1. I told you. See, so it will be 0 by 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2. That will be 2. Therefore answer is what? Which is the answer? This answer is D. Answer is D 0. This is the answer. This is also important, and so you write this answer separately. Half mark is given here. If you get 90 out of 90, you may half mark may be deducted from this if you don't write this. Now you see, In 8.2, question number 3, I have written it. If 10a plus b equals to root 3 and 10a minus b equal to 1 by root 3, where a plus b is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90 degree, where a is greater than b, find the value of a and b. It repeats. The question repeats in SSLC. And you have to do it from one sum is here, you see 8.2, one sum is here, and see there is one sum in example also. If a minus sin a minus b equal to half, cos a plus b equal to half, find the value a and b. This example sum you try to do yourself. I am going to show you this sum, and either this or this generally repeats the sum in final exam, and it's very important also this year, for this year. Now you see, while doing the sum, two constants are given, 10a plus b and 10a minus b given. You simply write the solution. You write given z I v e n given a plus b equal to root 3 and a 10 minus 3. See here 10 is written a plus b. Since 10 is here, you must write 10. Since 10 is here, you must write 10. And what is the value of 10? 60. You know root 3. So instead of root 3, you write 10. You write 10 here, you have to write 10 here. And what is the degree? It will be 60 degree. 10, 60 root 3. So a plus b will be what? 60 degree. This 10, 10 cancels. Similarly, here 10 is written, you must write 10. You must write 10. 1 by 10 means 10, 30. Only 30 degree, if you write, it will be right. You must write 10, 30. Then this 10 and 10 will cancel. A minus b will be 30 degree. Therefore, a plus b equals to 60 degree. A minus b equal to 30 degree. You get two equations. You have to find two variables are given, a and b. So elimination method you use. This will become minus, this will become plus. Twice b equal to this will minus. Subtract. If you subtract, it become minus, this will become plus, plus become minus. So it will be 30 degree. So b will be what? 30 by 2. So b will be 15 degree. Now equation EQ, if you write n, equation 1 gives a plus b equals to 60 degree. Value of b is 15 degree. Therefore a equals to 60 minus 15 degree. So a equals to 45 degree. Therefore a equals to 45 degree, b equals to 15 degree. You write the answer. See, a plus b equal to what? 45 plus 50 what? 60 degree. See, 10 60 root 3. A minus b equal to what? 30 degree. So 10 30 1 by root 3. So this is the verification also. This is the way this sum is done. Now you see, you have to do the sum which is given in example. You must do the sum. Now you see, for continuous, I am uploading my videos on daily basis. So please subscribe, like and share it so that you can get each and every of my videos. And I am going to do the sum from chapter 8.3 and 8.4 as well. Thank you. Now you see, I have given two sums here for your homework. Given sin a minus b equal to half and cos a plus b equal to half. This is the condition. Find the value of a and b. Number 1. This is very very important for SLC 2021. And the second sum is cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. This sum has come most probably 2 or 3 times. So both these sums are important for 2021. And you please try to do it yourself, and you will benefit from this. If you do it yourself, you will learn yourself also. Doing yourself is a better way to learn yourself. So see, every day you will get my videos at 10 a.m. on daily basis. If you press the bell icon, you automatically get my channel. So please subscribe, like and share my video. At 10 a.m. you will get You will get each and every of my classes. Today I have taught you about 8.2. Tomorrow I shall do the sums from 8.3. Very important. See, in question 8.2 and 8.1 and 8.2 I have done. Tomorrow I am going to show you 8.3 and next 8.4. So please stay tuned.